Good morning students, myself Rashmi Singh. I am your GK teacher of class 4. So children, you are all welcome in today's class. I hope you are well and safe at your home. So today's our topic is Great Achievers from chapter number 11 and our book name is Together with Journal Awareness. So children, today we will read page number 22. So first of all, I want to show your course book. Children, this is your course book. The name of your course book is Together with Journal Awareness for class 4. And today's our topic is chapter number 11, The Great Achievers. So children, in this chapter we will learn some names of the achievers and their achievement. Children, I will write here the name of great achievers, their achievement, and also I will share their pics to understand you very clearly. So please pay attention towards the blackboard. So children, now we start this chapter. So I will write here first name. First name is Dr. Kristen Bernard. What he did? इन्होंने क्या किया था? Dr. Kristen Bernard. His achievement is he successfully transplanted the heart for the first time. So children, here you can see his pic here and what he did, इन्होंने क्या किया था? His name is Dr. Kristen Bernard and he successfully transplanted the heart for the first time. जो हार्ट सर्जरी होती है बच्चों, उनको इन्होंने सबसे पहले सक्सेसफुली किया था, है ना, सफल किया था. तो इसीलिए ये बहुत ग्रेट अचीवर्स हैं. तो यहाँ पे को भी मैंने शेयर किया है, आप लोग ध्यान से देख सकते हैं और इसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपको बुक में भी मैच करना है. सो चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट नेम आई विल राइट हियर Valentina Tereskova. Valentina Tereskova. What she did? इन्होंने क्या किया था? So now we will read here that she is a Soviet cosmonaut. She is the first woman to go into the space. So children, this is woman's name, Valentina Tereskova. She is a Soviet cosmonaut and she is the first woman to go into the space. फर्स्ट वुमेन जो थी वैलेंटाइना टेरेस्कोवा थी, जो कि फर्स्ट टाइम स्पेस में गई थी. तो इनका अचीवमेंट क्या है? शी वॉज द फर्स्ट वुमेन टू गो इनटू द स्पेस. ये पहली वह औरत थी जो कि स्पेस में पहली बार गई थी. नाउ आई विल शेयर हर. सो चिल्ड्रन, I will remove these names, then write another name here. So I have to remove these names from the blackboard. So is, I will write here, Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great. What he did? A great king who invaded India. Alexander the Great, what he did? He was a great king who invaded India. Next is 4. Janko Tabai. She is a Japanese and she is the first woman to climb the Mount Everest. Mount Everest. So, Janko Tabai is a Japanese lady. What she did? She is the first woman, वो पहली ऐसी औरत है to climb the Mount Everest, जो कि Mount Everest पर सबसे पहले चढ़ी. What is the height of Mount Everest? Mount Everest height is 8,848 meter. Fifth is Robert E. Peary. What he did? He was the first man to reach the North Pole by overland journey. Robert E. Peary. What he did? He was the first man. ये ऐसा पहला व्यक्ति था to reach the North Pole, जो उत्तरी अपना जो पोल है, ध्रुव है, उस पर सबसे पहले इसने यहाँ की यात्रा की थी. So children, I will write here some more names after removing these sentences from the blackboard. After reading this chapter, you can solve this as the following given in your book. So 6th is Ronald Edmondson. Ronald Edmondson, what he did? He was a Norwegian explorer. He was the first person to reach the South Pole. So children, I also share his pic here, and he was a Norwegian explorer. Norwegian is the name of the place where he belongs, and explorer means एक इन्वेंशन करने वाला, जो कि नई नई खोजें करता रहता था. He was the first person, वो पहला व्यक्ति था to reach the South Pole, जो दक्षिणी ध्रुव था उस पर वो सबसे पहले पहुंचा था. Next is children number 7. is Marco Polo. What he did? He was an Italian traveler. ये एक इटालियन ट्रैवलर था. He visited the court of Mongol Emperor Kublai Khan. What he did? His name was Marco Polo. इनका नाम क्या था? Marco Polo. And I also share the pic of Marco Polo. He was an Italian traveler. ये इटली का ट्रैवलर था, यात्री था. He visited the court Mongol Emperor Kublai Khan. इन्होंने जो मुगल जो एम्पायर था, जो सम्राट था, सम्राट एम्परर मीन्स सम्राट कुबलाई खान, उनके दरबार में भी ये गए हुए थे. नेक्स्ट 8th इज नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. What he did? He was very famous. So Neil Armstrong, he is an American astronaut. And he is the first man to set foot on the moon. Neil Armstrong is the first person who set his foot on the moon. जिन्होंने चंद्रमा पर सबसे पहला पैर रखा था. कहाँ के रहने वाले थे? अमेरिका के थे. ये खगोल शास्त्री थे. एस्ट्रोनॉट मीन्स खगोल शास्त्री थे और पहले व्यक्ति थे जिन्होंने चंद्रमा पर पहली बार अपना कदम रखा था. He was very famous. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रसिद्ध थी. So children, today's our class is stopped here. I hope you will be understand this chapter in very well manner. So children, next video we will meet with next new chapter. Till then, thank you so much. Have a nice day.